I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's newest feature called Email, a simple but powerful tool that helps you create beautiful email designs even if you are not a designer. First, head over to your Canva account and on the search bar, type in email. Canva will instantly show you a collection of ready-made templates you can use. Click the one you like and select Customize this template. Once your design opens, you can start personalizing it by adding your name, changing the colors, replacing the images, and adjusting the typography so everything matches your brand. You can even add a button by linking any text or shape. Just select the button, click Edit Link, and enter your link right here. Make sure to update the content of the email as well so it fits your message. Once you are done customizing your email, head over to the top right and click Send Test Email. Type your subject. Let us use test mail for now, and send the test message to the email connected to your Canva account. Check your inbox and make sure everything looks good. Then, when you are ready to use it for real, go to Share, click Download, and download the HTML and images. Since all of you might be using different email platforms, I cannot show you how to import the HTML code step by step in this video. What you can do instead is search on your browser for how to import HTML email template to and type in the email platform you use. You will find many guides that walk you through the process. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. If you want me to create a full series revealing more Canva tricks and new feature updates, hit like, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.